Develop your link with Quran. Quran itself is such a big miracle. Interesting examples of the great miracle of the Holy Quran. The miracle of numbers of the Quran. I will give you an example. Equation between the numbers of antonyms. The words which are contrary to each other. One is ad-dunya, life of this present world. 115 times the word ad-dunya occurs in Quran. Opposite is al-akhirah, the life or hereafter. And al-akhirah also occurs at 115 times. Al-hayat, life, and al-maut, death. Maut, this word has occurred 145 times. And al-hayat, the life, has also occurred 145 times. As-sayyi'at, bad deeds, has occurred 167 times. And as-salihat, good deeds, this word also occurred at 167 times. The word tawaf, it has occurred in Holy Quran 7 times. And everyone knows that there are 7 circulations of the sacred house of Allah, the Kaaba. There are 2 embodiments. The embodiments of good are malaika. The embodiments of shar, the evil, they are shayateen. So in Quran, malaika comes at 88 times in Holy Quran. And the word shayateen also occurs at 88 times in the Holy Quran. The word rajul, male, and the word imra'ah, female, man and lady. The word male has occurred 24 times, and female, the lady, women, has also occurred 24 times, giving the message that the rights of the men and women are equal. Now the word s.a.w, hour, just a s.a.w in itself, hour, it has occurred in Holy Quran at 24 places, and there are 24 hours of the whole day. The word day, al-yawm or yawman, has occurred in Holy Quran at 365 times. And there are 365 days in the whole year. And the word day, plural, ayyam or yawmain, the days in its plural form, has occurred in the Holy Quran at 30 times. And there are 30 days of a full month. Then come to the word month, ash-shahr, mahina. This word has come in the Holy Quran 12 times. Look at this equation. This is not by chance. This is not created by someone. This is not computer generated. This is divine mathematics, divine numerology. When Holy Prophet ﷺ was giving this Quran to his ummah, he had no softwares in his hands. There was no Google at that time. And the Quran was revealing in 23 years. Some verses came in Makkah, some were revealed in Madina. And it took 23 years in completion of Quranic revelation. Nobody can remember what word was revealed how many times. But in the end, look at these equations. These equations talk that this book is divinely revealed and it is nothing but the ultimate truth. One has to believe that Holy Prophet Muhammad was the true messenger of Almighty Allah.